for showing me everything.
Yes, sir, man.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing, sir?
Doing alright.
Can I tell you my name real quick and what's in here? Go ahead.
Evan Fitzgerald. I got 2 Scar ZPX 15s and a 4th order.
Okay. Did you build this?
Me and him.
Okay. Do you know what it's tuned to or the specs of it?
Tuned to 47. 3 cubes each side for the sealed sides and 12 cubes in the middle for the ported.
Nice. Looks really good.
Thank you, sir.
Did you meter it yet?
Yes, sir.
How did it?
151.
150s. Okay.
Yes,
awesome.
Sir.
You happy with it?
I am.
Nice job. Take a picture real quick.
Yeah.
Oh, can I see the amps? Do they? Yeah. Sorry, I forgot to ask that. Oh, wow.
5 gauge on the front.
Nice. Thank you for showing me everything.
Yes, sir, man.
Awesome.
Yes, sir. You too, man.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough we just got of Evan's system. He did a really good job showcasing it at the Savannah Seaport Showdown in 2021 in Savannah, Georgia. Finally getting to upload it. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds with a great bass demo. Shout out to you, Evan. You did a really good job. So if you haven't already, everybody, give him a thumbs up, as well as comment, give him some positive feedback you like about his system. There's a lot of good things to say. And this system is rated for over 10,000 watts RMS between all of his amplifiers he's ran to the system. Really great musical response you're going to see in the demo as well. So I really like the way he has his blow-through style layout with the port facing in the center between the 2 seats. That way there isn't any seat blocking room for all the air pressure. And I actually can feel the airflow coming out like AC blower or a fan blower when he turns it up on the lower frequencies. He has his sealed section a little bit large, being at 3 cubes, if that really is 3 cubes net. But that gives you a really low-end response for bandpass enclosures. And some people don't like the top speaker and tweeter staging, but I personally like that because it allows for the music to be able to reach out across the whole vehicle and not just in the door pod panels. That's one plus on having these kind of walled systems, is you're able to have your tweeters and speakers above the box as well. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Subscribe for daily cardio videos and enjoy this bass demo. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Anyway, thank you for the demo.
Yes, sir, man.
What was your name?
Evan Fitzgerald.
Evans. Appreciate it, man. You have a good day.
You, brother. You too.
Pretty musical bandwidth on it, too.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.